guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a super easy DIY. I'm doing a lighted garland of flowers, a little floral fairy lights. This is so super sweet and simple, just 2 items. You're not gonna believe how easy this is. I'm doing this project right in time for the Jewish holiday of Bishvat. Bishvat is sometimes called Jewish Arbor Day. It celebrates trees, nature, regrowth. If you're not Jewish, not to worry, this can also be used for Valentine's Day if you've got a little girl to decorate her room. I'm also really excited because this is a collab with some great ladies here on YouTube. My Jewish Mommy Life, Everyday Jewish Mom, and Little Kosher Lunch. I'm gonna put links to these ladies' channels below. They do tons of motherhood, recipes, hauls, lifestyle stuff. If you like mommy and lifestyle videos, you're gonna love their channels. Head on over there. But first I'm gonna show you how I pulled this together. It's so easy, and at the end I'm gonna do some clips showing you how you can style it, how you can decorate with these. Let's get started. I'm starting with these string lights from the Dollar Tree. I have plenty of lights at home, but I wanted to pick this up because I wanted to use something I know is in stores right now. All I'm doing is popping these little hearts off. They come right off. If you're using lights that don't have these little plastic decorations on them, then you can skip this step, obviously. And then you just want to pull a bud off of the flowers you're using. This is going to be pretty standard no matter what sort of fake flower you're using. They're all kind of stuck on with these little bottom plastic pieces that you can pull right out, and you want to pull out any sort of middle pieces. See that? Like, you pull the plastic off and then you're left with just that fabric flower, and conveniently it's going to have a little hole in the center that I can use to just slide the flower right on. And this little bud was a 2-layer flower, so I've got 2 fabric pieces, and these are so it's almost like they're designed for this. They're so snug that they stay right in place. If your flower is a little loose, you could use a little bit of hot glue to hold it there, but it holds its shape just perfectly. I'm gonna do it one more time to show you what I mean. I'm pulling off the plastic pieces and just keeping the little fabric pieces. And you could use any sort of flower you like. I'm going for sort of a cherry blossom look. That's why I chose these flowers, and I like the mix of that white and the hot pink, but use whatever colors you like. You can't tell right now, but these lights are actually gonna light up a pinkish red. It's gonna be really pretty with these flowers. And there I am, just slipping the petals on the first layer and then the second layer. It's as easy as that. It's just 2 products here. I bought a string of lights and I bought some flowers. $2 if you go to the Dollar Tree. So easy, you won't believe it. And these are gonna look gorgeous all lit up, especially at night. All done, and just complete that step for each light. And there it is. How pretty is that? I mean, I think this looks like something you would purchase in a store, but it was so simple. You can drape this on a countertop, decorate with it however you like. I think this is especially pretty in a little girl's room. I've got this canopy in a corner of my daughter's playroom where she can read, and I think it's really pretty here. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Hit the red subscribe button to see more videos like this. Now check out those other ladies, see what they've got going on.